How to make money with Toluna surveys. Toluna is most well known for its surveys, but there are a whole host of other ways to earn rewards on the site. Our review reveals what they are, and which are the biggest earners. What is Toluna and how does it work? Toluna is an online community platform that lists frequent surveys you can complete in return for rewards. Users that fill in these surveys are known as Toluna influencers, so-called because the surveys you complete are used by major brands to help them figure out what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong and what they should be doing. Toluna influencers are paid in the form of points, which can, in turn, be redeemed for a range of things including gift cards, competition entries or good old-fashioned cash. But surveys aren't the only way to earn rewards on Toluna. You can earn some extra goodies by interacting with the Toluna community, playing games and even watching videos. How much money can you make with Toluna? It's hard to put an exact number on your potential earnings, as how much you get out of Toluna kind of depends on how much you put in. That said, it's safe to say that surveys are undoubtedly the biggest and most reliable way to earn rewards on Toluna. Their FAQs state that each one can pay between 15 to 50,000 points, depending on its length, but we've found that most of the surveys available to us pay 1,000 to 2,000 points, though a couple were less than half of this, and others were up to 20,000. Judging by the number of points required to buy each value of a gift card, it seems that £1 is approximately 5,500 points. You can only cash out to PayPal in £35 installments. If you want to redeem points for a value below this, you'll have to go for a gift card, or one of the random items they sell, but we'd argue that they're not worth spending your hard-earned points on. A few of the vouchers are for shops that sell pretty much everything, Tesco and Amazon specifically, so if you go for these, your gift card will basically be as good as cash. What's more, based on the number of points required to buy each value of gift voucher, the Tesco and Amazon credits work out as better value than the £35 PayPal payout anyway. Toluna reviews. When we asked students in our Facebook Deals group what they thought of Toluna, one thing kept coming up again and again: the amount of time you need to invest to get rewards.